Hi everyone, this is Gail at Ladyfinger Sewing. Today is a fabulous day. Well, every day is a fabulous day here in Ole, but today's especially wonderful because my long-running staple Dimples fabric we have a limited edition of 11 colors. They're not new colors, they have been re-released. So I'm going to go through the different colors that have been reprinted. And by limited edition, we mean they're making one batch of these colors and then that's it. They're going back into the vault. So this is an exciting time to pick up some yardage of your favorite Dimples. This one is one of the original colors, and this is Y for yellow. So this was in the very first collection that showcased only 4 colors of Dimples originally, almost 20 years ago. Next, this is a color that was discontinued and now brought back by popular demand, and this is G34. It's actually a really dark black green. It's a wonderful background and a really good place to put something that you don't want to be absolutely black but have a little bit of green to it. Really nice stuff. Next, this is a wonderful brown. This is like a bear brown. I think it is Bruin, if I'm not mistaken, and this color is N21. Next, this is another very early blue. This is B2, so just a little bit of information. If you see a Dimples and the designation of its color, they're all 1867. But the color designation will be a dash and then a letter, and sometimes a letter and a number. If you only see just a letter, like Y earlier, that means it was the original color for Dimples in that range. So this is B2, so that tells you that it's an early color. Okay, next. This one we did just a few years ago, and it was, again, people were asking for it, so we brought it back. And this is 017. It's kind of like a nice coral shade. Next, it's a nice light celery green, and this is G8. We've done almost 40 different shades of green over the years in Dimples, so this is actually a fairly early one. Next, this is a really great eggplant color, and this is P as in purple 18. This is another original color. This was in the very first grouping of Dimples, and this is L for light. Next, this is another light, and this has more of a gray tone to it. This is L2. I doubled up on yardage getting the first batch in, and I would say if you want some, get it quickly because this will go fast. And like I said, at this point they're not going to reprint these colors, so they are really limited edition. This one I love, and I'm so glad that it's back. This is actually a metallic, and I believe I named it Shiny Buckets as I recall, and this is C as in Charlie 6. And last but not least, another great gray. This has got kind of a nice medium rich gray, and this is MC. So come on by, Ladyfingers. We will have fat quarter bundles of this limited edition fabrics on our website and also in the store. Thanks for watching.